Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my powder foundation routine, but today is a little bit different because I'm going to be using BareMinerals. I haven't tried BareMinerals in a really long time. I normally use a pressed powder foundation, but the routine is exactly the same. I really wanted to try BareMinerals today because it's becoming trendy again, and I really wanted to see what the hype was about. This is my makeup. I think it turned out so good. I think it looks so good. So if you want to see how I did this, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. The way that I normally apply powder foundation is I do all of my creams first, and then I apply the powder right after. So right now I'm just starting with some primer. This is the MAC Studio Radiance Moisturizing and Illuminating Silky Primer. I really like this base. I feel like it gives a really good start to my makeup. The next thing I do is I always use a concealer that's about the same shade as my skin. This is the one that I normally use. It's the Too Faced Born This Way, and I basically just apply it wherever I'm gonna need like more coverage. I blend this out with a brush. I kind of just like tap it in for the most coverage. The shade I use in this is Warm Beige, by the way. Sorry if you can hear noises outside. My window is open because my cat is outside. Once that's all nice and blended in, I take my under eye concealer. Today I'm going to use the one from Natasha, Denona. This is the, I don't even know what this is called, the hydrating concealer, Hy-Glam concealer. Then I take a smaller brush and really just get into the inner corner of the eye and bring everything out. I feel like I need a tiny bit of brightness under my eye, so I'm going to use this L'Oreal concealer over top. I like a bright under eye. Now what I do is I take regular loose translucent powder. This is the one from Hourglass, and I like this powder, but I hate the packaging it comes in. I only set my under eyes with the translucent powder. That's all I'm setting right now. Okay, perfect. So while that sets my under eye, now I'm gonna go in with the powder foundation. Today I'm using the BareMinerals Original. I have tried BareMinerals before in the past, many years ago, but I tried the matte version of this, and I think I liked it, but I've never tried the original version, and BareMinerals is kind of like making a comeback, I feel. So I'm gonna try this again today, and the shade I have is called Golden Nude. So the trick is to put it in the cap like that. I'm not supposed to use a lot because apparently this is supposed to cover pretty well without using a lot. And then mine came with this little mini brush. Like, how cute is this? Swirl it in here, tap off the excess, and apply it. I just got it in my hair. Okay. And you apply it in like a circular buffing motion. And I'm gonna avoid this area right here. You basically just wanna get every single part of your face. If you see me adding a lot, it's because I like it that way. Okay, before I move on, I'm gonna remove some of this, or all of this under eye translucent powder, just to really melt it together with the mineral foundation powder. It looks really good, and it's really blending into the skin nicely. See? Okay, BareMinerals, I see you. So we're gonna move on now to the rest of the face, and I always do powders on top of powders. So we're gonna take some bronzer. This is the DIOR Forever Nude Bronze, and I get the shade Tan Matte. And I'm just going to apply that where I would normally apply a cream bronzer. I like this bronzer because it's not super like intense. It's a subtle bronzer, but you can still tell that it's there, if that makes any sense. I also use a tiny bit of this to do some nose contour. Guys, that like leaf blower is really annoying me. I hope it doesn't come across in the video too loud because it's really bothering me right now. For my blush today, I'm gonna use this one from YSL. It's in the shade 23, and it's kind of like a coral blush. Just take a little bit of that, put it on the cheeks. The reason I like to do powder foundation instead of a liquid foundation sometimes is because my makeup usually is done in about half the time that it takes me to do my makeup with liquid foundation, because I'm cutting out all of the liquid products, that cream and liquid products that I normally use, like cream blush, cream contour, liquid foundation, setting that with powder, and then adding the powder products on top. So for some reason, it's just quicker for me. Now I am just going to add some highlighter. I'm going to use this one from e.l.f. It's the Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlighter. It's supposed to be a dupe to the Rare Beauty one. See, I think that looks so pretty, and I kind of just like trickle it into my eyes a little bit. And if I have time, I like to carve out, because I'm not using creams, it's harder to really like chisel out your cheekbone. So if I have time, I'll take the translucent powder and just gonna add a little powder here to kind of really snatch the cheekbones. And I don't leave this on for very long because I don't want it to leave like a white beard looking thing. So I just do it real quick and then immediately take it off, and I feel like that makes a really, really big difference. When using powder foundations, obviously you don't want your face to look powdery. So my favorite setting spray to kind of prevent that is the One Size Powder Melt. This is literally meant to melt powders so that your skin looks more dewy and glowy and more like you used a bunch of liquids. So I'm gonna apply this to set my face. So while that dries down, we're gonna do a little lip combo. So I'm gonna go in with this lip liner from Makeup by Mario in the shade Toasty. I'm gonna use the DIOR lipstick in the shade Rose Rose. For gloss, I'm gonna use this one from Lawless, and it's in the shade Strawberry Milkshake. The last thing I do always is my brown mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, so this is the entire makeup look using powder foundation. Who would have thought BareMinerals was that girl again? But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!